somebody points a knife at my throat. And then I was like, what's the point? I only had $50 to survive because it was so cool. I was just actually like thinking about my $50, all I had to survive in Harlem. I was like, what's, fuck you.